10 Steps to Automate YouTube. I am the clone of Sheldon Sims. Thanks for watching. Watch this video until the end. If you're still doing everything manually on YouTube, you're doing it the hard way. Automation is how channels scale without burning you out. Let me break this down into 10 simple steps you can start using right now. Step 1, lock your niche. Automation only works when your content is repeatable. Pick one clear topic, one audience, one promise. Random content kills systems. Step 2, build a content formula. Every video should follow the same structure. Hook, value, takeaway, call to action. When the format is fixed, production becomes automatic. Step 3, batch your ideas. Instead of thinking up one video at a time, brainstorm 30 titles in one sitting. This removes creative friction for weeks. Step 4, automate scripting. Use AI to turn your titles into short, clear scripts. You're not replacing your voice, you're speeding it up. Step 5, clone your voice or presence, whether it's your voice, face, or avatar. This is how you stop trading hours for uploads. Your clone works while you don't. Step 6, standardize visuals, same background, same framing, same style every time. Consistency saves time and trains the algorithm. Step 7, automate editing. Templates are everything. Intro, captions, music, outro. Once built, every video drops into place. Step 8, schedule uploads in advance. Never upload manually again. Batch a week or a month and let the platform handle the rest. Step 9, automate descriptions and tags. Keywords, links, and calls to action should follow a preset formula. No thinking required. Step 10, review data once a week. Not daily, weekly. See what's working, adjust your system, and repeat. That's how growth compounds. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about building a machine that publishes consistently, attracts the right viewers, and frees your time. If you want YouTube to work for you instead of on you, automation isn't optional. It's the whole game. Please like and subscribe.